Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, engineering sector, PSU sector as well as private jobs. So today's job notification has come from UCO Bank. Okay, so you all aware of this fact that UCO Bank have published their notification for hiring specialist officer. So we will discuss in detail in this video what is the eligibility criteria, how to apply for this process, and how to uh, do the application. All in details I will discuss in this video. So if you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe my channel to get this type of news every day. I give daily job notification, so please subscribe. And if you really like this video, please hit the like button so that it gives me motivation. So let's start this video. So UCO Bank have published their notification. You can see this is the latest notification, 24th of October 2020. This is their date of publication. And UCO Bank is hiring for SO recruitment. 91 posted there for the specialist officer category. Candidate possessing bachelor degree in related stream at any recognized university can apply for this job. And last date is 17th of November. Please remember, last date is 17th of November. Okay, so the job role will be specialist officer, and total vacancy is 91. Experience needed is freshers, government bank jobs. It is salary basic pay is 23,700 to 31,705 per month. Okay, so it is quite good salary to you. So application starting date is 27th of September. So it is already been started. So it is a further date, extension date has come for this particular post, that last date has been extended to 17th of November. So that I am just remembering you that these things have already came. If you want to apply, please apply. Okay, so application begin date is again given here for this particular month, 27th of October, because the previous application when they have started 27th of September, that part has been closed. So they have opened a several link for the new candidates who will apply for this job. So you can see this link will be open to you on 27th of October, so within 2 days. So last date of application is 17th of November, and you have to pay the exam fee on or before 17th of November. Exam date will be on December. So admit code available will be notified to you soon. Age limit will be between 21 to 40 years, and as per details or age relaxation given in general condition, you can go through it according to the Government of India recruitment rules. So you can see the application fee for general, OBC and EWS category is 1180. For SC/ST it is 118. For PH it is 118. Okay, so your payment mode should be online by using debit or credit card, net banking, etc. So vacancy details I will discuss in detail. There are total 91 posts. I will go through it, for which post how many number of position are there. So for security officer, you can see general they will hire 4, EWS 1, OBC 2, SC 1 and ST 1, so total 9. Eligibility will be bachelor degree in any stream with 60% marks with experience required. For engineer, all total 8 posts are there. BTech degree in civil, electrical or B architecture with 60% marks can apply. For economist, 2 posts are there. Master degree needed in economics with 60% marks with 2 years of experience or PhD in economics. Statistician, 2 posts are there. You need to have master degree in statistics or economics or applied economics or econometrics with 60% marks. Okay, for IT officer, all total 20 posts are there. BTech degree in computer science, IT, electronics and telecommunication with 60% marks can apply for this job. And also MCA can apply with 60% marks along with 1 year experience required. Okay, CA, CFA can also apply for their 25 recruitment posts are there. The position name will be CS or CFA JMGS 1 and Chartered Accountant or CFA with minimum 3 years of experience can apply. And another post is there for CA, CFA, MMGS 2. There are all total 25 posts. Here also Chartered Accountant minimum with 3 years of experience as CA can apply. Okay. So if you want more details about it, you need to click on the more details by clicking on the click here button. If you want to apply for this job, you need to click on apply link. So after clicking on apply link, it will be redirected to the official website of UCO Bank. From there you need to register as well as apply for this job. Okay. So don't get worried, I will give this notification as well as this application link in my description box. So from there you can find it and you can apply for this job. Okay, so we have reached the official website of UCO Bank. So you can see, so for each and every officer post, the form link is different. Okay, so if you want to apply as a specialist officer, as an engineer or law, then you need to click on this link. If you want to apply as a security officer, you need to click on this link. And recruitment of JMGS 1, MMGS 2 revised link, I have already told that it is a revised link and it will be available from 27th of October to 17th of November. Okay, so as the date is already not been reached, today is 25th, so after clicking on this link, it will not be redirected to the application form, because on 27th of October they will open their link. Okay, so if you readily apply this job or want to apply this job, then you just need to click on this link, then you can apply. So this is the job notification for UCO Bank. So if you think it is right for you, please apply for this job. If you think it is not right for you, don't apply, because the money amount is too much, 1180. I understand. So that is the all thing, that is the all updates from Job Updates by Verma team. So if you like this video, then please subscribe my channel, and if you have any doubt, please comment your doubt in my comment box. And you can also follow me in Instagram. My username is Job Updates by Verma. So thank you, take care, we will meet in next video with another job updates. Goodbye.